Hey, how you doing, guys? This is your friend elDuro. Today I will talk about the Bird. There are two scooter companies in San Antonio, Texas at the moment. One is called Bird and the other one is called Lime. Today I will briefly cover the Bird only. First of all, you will have to download the app for your device, and it's available for Apple and Android. When you're setting up your app, you have to allow the app to see your location in order for you to locate a scooter near you. When you finally locate a scooter, you will have to scan the QR code located on top of the scooter handlebar. If this is the very first time you are using the service, you will have to enter the following information: a driver license. After that, you enter the credit card information as well. And that's it, you're ready to go. It's $1 to unlock it plus 15 cents per minute. Follow the scooter rules as well as the city rules. The scooter can pick up speeds up to 15 miles per hour. Avoid sidewalks as much as you can. As far as I know, the scooters are not permitted at Riverwalk and the Alamo. I believe the cutoff time for the scooters it's at 9 p.m. When you're done with your ride, simply park the scooter accordingly and in your app, press lock. It will prompt you with the ride time, distance, and cost. You will also have the option to rate your ride.